In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to set up the Google Vision API in Google Cloud. This is a must-know setup if you're working with image recognition, text detection, face detection, or any kind of computer vision project using Google Cloud. We'll keep everything simple and beginner-friendly, and by the end of this video, you'll have the Google Vision API enabled and ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Google Cloud and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud Console. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account you want to use for your project. Once the console loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the navigation menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that menu to open the main navigation panel. From the navigation menu, scroll down until you find the section called APIs and Services. This is where Google Cloud manages all APIs, integrations, and service configurations for your projects. Click on APIs and Services to continue. Once you're inside APIs and Services, you'll see a few different options. What we want here is the API library, which contains all the APIs you can enable for your Google Cloud project. Click on Libraries to open the full list of available APIs. Now you're in the API library. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar that allows you to quickly find specific APIs. Click into the search field and type Google Vision. As you type, the results will begin to filter automatically. When you see Google Vision API appear in the results, click on it. This will take you to the dedicated page for the Google Vision API, where you can see an overview of what it does, supported features, pricing information, and usage details. On the Google Vision API page, look for the Enable button. This button allows you to activate the API for your currently selected Google Cloud project. Go ahead and click Enable. Google Cloud will now take a few seconds to configure the service and attach it to your project. Once the process is complete, the Google Vision API is officially enabled. At this point, your project can start making requests to the Vision API, whether that's through code, client libraries, or other Google Cloud services. From here, your next steps typically include setting up authentication using a service account, installing the Google Cloud client libraries for your programming language, and writing code to send images to the Vision API. Those steps depend on your specific use case, but enabling the API is always the first and most important step. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Google Vision API in Google Cloud using the Cloud Console. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.